Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a test drive on a 1969 Chevelle. This car here has a matching number 350. Got power steering, a little bit of polished aluminum up under the hood here. Pretty smooth sounding motor. Aftermarket Foose wheels with front disc brakes, drum in the rear, and decent tires all the way around. We're gonna be taking it down the road, seeing how it runs and drives. That way you know everything about this car before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. So if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily. You can also go to maplemotors.com to get financed or shipping information, plus 100 detailed pictures of each car on the lot, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday. So be sure to hit that like button, share this video. It's about that time. Woo! Gotta jiggle the hood. Let's go for a ride. Checking out this car here. The dash has got some cracks in it. They make covers for those. You can also just get the pad and replace it. Cloth seat, it's in good shape. Driver's seat is about the same. You can check it out in the walk around video, get more detail. Headliner's in great shape in this car. Seems to start up easy. Definitely gonna stop and get some gas. Check that gauge there, it's on an E. Temps coming up, oil pressure's working, and voltmeter's not hooked up. Fan. Oh, it's starting to cut on. I can hear it running, but it's not very strong. Radio. We've got a radio. The screen is not cutting on that one. Okay. There's the mileage. I cannot stand behind that in a 1969 model, but this is a matching number motor, so that's a good sign. Place your bets on the horn. You ready? No horn on this one. Let's hit the road. So we're getting ready to take off here. Try to get my seatbelt up. This one don't even fit. This guy definitely didn't wear his seatbelt. I mean, he's got other ones. This one's for the middle, and it fits. But I mean, I can have somebody beside me. Oh well, I got it on. We're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, I will let you know. And we're gonna try to stop at the gas station, or at least get to it. They left us with no gas in this car. Brakes don't feel bad. They feel pretty good already, so it's a good sign. The steering on this car is very smooth. As soon as I turn, it turns. Nice tight steering. The gas gauge is moving too. It came up a little bit. I think it's working. This car's going straight as an arrow down the road. Kick down's hooked up. We're cruising. She's got a little pep to her too. Nobody's behind us. Let's hit the brakes. The brakes are stopping great. They feel pretty good. Speedo's coming up and is working. Turn signal. Oh my goodness. They're working. It's loose. It's loose, but it's blinking on the dash, and they're working. This thing couldn't drive much better. Okay, we're pulling into the gas station here. and we get about $20 worth of premium fuel. So quiet. Idle so low. I like this car, especially for the price range. All right, we're gonna pull up in here and get some fuel and see if this gas gauge works. Let's do it, guys. Okay, like I said, we're gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride. See if that gas hand works, and we'll get heading back down the road. Put the gas in right here behind the tag. Yeah, right now we're about $6 in, so we'll check that gauge out and I'll let you know, guys. Okay, getting ready to take off from here. That's what it was showing. Turn the key on, and then they about weighing us out of fuel. I don't know what's up with people. They sell us these cars and don't leave us any gas at all. Hey, at least I test drive them. I go straight to the gas station. Let's roll out. So far so good. I had some guys roll up and talk to me for about 10 minutes. I left the car running. I'll look down. Engine temperature is like 195, 200. It's just below 200. And oil pressure is like 35 or 25 to 30, just above 25. She put her in gear here. It jumps on up there. It's about 45 in gear like that. Okay. Seen that guy just running through the fields. It's like, oh yeah. All right, let's jump on out of here. Get in the flow of traffic. Suspension on this thing's pretty smooth. I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10 if I was to rate the suspension. do not believe this car here will last very long at all at this price. It does run and drive very good. We're gonna be doing a walk around video on it, pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find on the body. Be sure to watch that, that way you know everything about it. Gotta hold your turn signal up so it'll work, because like I said, it was loose. Here's the old speed bump. It's kind of flat now. Not very bumpy anymore. All right. Coming on up to Maple Motors now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I've got some more cars to grab. I'll be doing some more test drives today. Thanks again, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much every day. You can also check out maplemotors.com and see detailed pictures, get shipping information, and financing is available on all of our cars. Every Monday we update with new inventory. We are all family. We've been here 38 years. And we don't plan on going anywhere. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you share this video, that helps us out. And also hit that like button, it'll bring us up to the top. Every car here has a test drive and a walk around, so be sure to check for that if you're interested in any of these vehicles. I got more test drives to get to, so I'll see you in the next one, guys. Later.